Hello friends, today I am going to tell you uh, how to write the JPA hibernate configuration in application.properties file. If you are using a Spring Boot, okay, then if you are looking to connect your source to the database, then you need to write some configuration file in application.properties. Okay, so here uh, if I'm talking about MySQL, then these all configuration you need to write in application.properties file. First one is you have to mention spring.jpa.hibernate.ddl-auto is equal to create, or you can write here update, or you can write here create drop. Anyone you can write, but the ideal one which should be used is update. Okay, spring jpa hibernate.ddl-auto is equal to update. Because whenever you run a query, it will not create or anything, it will update. Once if it is not created, it will create, and if it is created, then it will update your data source. If I'm talking about URL, okay, then you have to mention jdbc mysql localhost colon 3306 and the schema name which you have created in your database. In my case, I have created testdb. Okay, next you have to mention the username and password. The Spring data source username you have to mention here. In my case, it is Shankar, and in my case the password is admin at 2019. It may differ in your case, so write the username and password as per your schema username and password which you have created. Okay, also the schema name which you have created. Next one, if you want to change the port, you can change the port server dot port, these all things, but this three basic configuration you have to mention if you are configuring JP Hibernate for Spring Boot. Okay, and for the Oracle, if you want to configure the Spring Boot JP Hibernate configuration for Oracle, then you have to mention these four lines. First one is in place of uh, if you are saying the above data source URL, I have mentioned JDBC MySQL localhost, the port name and schema name. Here, JDBC Oracle thin at localhost, port number, schema. It may differ. Okay, maybe you have configured your port, so mention here your own port. And for the SID, write your own SID. It may be XC, it may be ORCL, or any SID which you have created in your database. Okay, Oracle database. Next one is username. Right here, mention here your own SID schema username, whatever the username you have created. And for the password, write your own password, schema password. Okay. And third one is you have to mention the driver. Okay. So Spring data source dot driver dot class is equal to oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot oracle driver. This you have to mention if you are configuring a Spring Boot JPA Hibernate for Oracle. Thank you very much. Please write any comment if you face any problem while configuring JPA Hibernate for MySQL and Oracle. Thank you.